What's up, guys? Yo, what's up, guys? Oh shit! What the fuck is wrong with my head? La. What the fuck? Oh, there you are. I was wrong. I was running the wrong direction the whole time. Starting a new YouTube video because the other one bugged. So yeah. Fuck. Airplane. Fuck's sake. Come on! How do you make your camera stand still? Because you're standing all the way over there, and your camera's right here. How is your camera not moving around? That's my question. That's what I'm trying to find out all the time. Oh, you're typing in the chat. Wait a second. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, my neck is fine, Penguin. My neck is fine, Penguin. You wanna see some more? Okay, wait a sec. There we go. Now I see the power of the neck. Everybody go follow Nitsue on Twitch. Nitsue is a very good streamer. She makes great content about being a bug and an airplane. Exactly. Go follow Nitsue on Twitch. She's airplane and a baka. She makes great content. Yes, you do. Viewers that's watching my YouTube video, go follow Nitsue. A cutie and a baka at the same time. I didn't know that was possible. Let me switch avatar. Wait. Pepsi. Con. Hey, what's up, boys? Ooh. Die, Chad. Well, let me disable my camera, that will be a little bit easier. Okay. Oh. Ow. Oh, wait. Shit. Okay. Oh, we're saying 3 shots now? Okay. Who the fuck is that? Yeah, Sam! Okay, down. That's a fat ass. Look at this fucking curve, bro. Look. That's gonna give me a lot. That's gonna give me a lot of content.
This time I agree, you deserve this. Yes, you are cute.
How many people on this fucking journey? I'll be flying. Sup, boy? Want a piece of knuckles?
No.
Hey, Tiger! Sup, boy?
It's fucking.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. What the fuck is that? Look at my character. Nitsue. Not my avatar. Its leg are like fucking.
She's cute.
Yeah, Nitsu is a big cutie. Biggest cutie of them all. Okay, and Chad, I will show you what I showed them. Okay, I'm gonna go to a stage world and beatbox and dance. Bye bye. Now you guys will see what when I showed them. Oh my god, this is a fucking nightmare. But I love this also. It's great for beatboxing. You can show a lot of things with it. Drop it low with the flow. Drop it low with the flow like. Float out with a whistle. Fuck that shit. Fuck. Fucking hell, I had a piece of lunch. Oh, bastard. I'm doing it for scheduling me. Okay, let's take this one instead. No, that wouldn't be good. Drop low, drop low, drop low, drop low, drop low, drop low. How much time do I have left? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I know I'm trying to upgrade Screencast-O-Matic or get OBS so I can record longer. That's it, guys. Bye bye.